creating the custom content yourself. And best of all, you'll start seeing results with Custom Content Wizard in about 20 minutes or less. Let me show you how this breakthrough new software actually works. Okay, so this is the actual Wizard software itself, and how it works is you answer a bunch of questions about yourself, about your product that you're selling, about your target niche audience, about the payoffs and the things that they want. And then what you're going to do is you're going to enter in the biggest fears they have, the mistakes that they make, ideas that they think are true, their doubts, their problems, the steps they want to take. And this whole thing, filling this out, will probably take you about 15 or 20 minutes. But the cool thing is that once you're done filling out all the information about your niche, and this works with any niche, then that's when the magic happens. So once we're done filling this out, then we come over here and we click build, and what it'll allow us to do is output outlines using proven templates. There are 21 templates in here, and they will allow you to be able to create an article or a video yourself, or you can outsource. So let me just show you a real simple one here. You can outsource in text, DOCX, PPTX files, which work on PC and Mac. Let's output the mistakes template. So we'll click build, and we'll save it. And I'll just save this as demo. And we click view, and it actually will create this in the actual Word file. So it says author mistakes template because that's our target audience. So it gives you the title, ebook publishing, the 3 biggest mistakes authors make with ebook publishing, because that's what I put in. And then it walks you through this, where mistake number 1, thinking there's a magic solution to writing a book. What's a mistake? So it gives you the question answer, gives you the writing prompt, and you go through each one of these. Then it also takes all those building blocks that you input and creates multiple calls to action that you can use at the end. And then here's the really cool thing that you can do. In here, it has the copy and paste code that you can just literally copy and paste over into Fiverr. And so you would take this and you would copy, it tells you where to start, when to stop, and then you could go over to Fiverr, hire somebody for $5 to write an article for you, turn this into a video, whatever. And you could have somebody else do the thing for you. Now the cool thing this also does is not only is it outputted in Word or in text, but let's say you wanted to do this as a little video. So we could then, let's use a different one, we'll use the fears one. You can output it as a PowerPoint. So you can output it as a PowerPoint, and what it'll do is literally take all of your variables and put it into this PowerPoint that you can use. So you could sit here and literally just record this to create a video you could use on social media or on your blog or whatever. Ebook publishing, the 3 ebook publishing fears that stop authors dead in their tracks. If you're an author who wants to conquer these ebook publishing fears and move forward faster to the success you want, watch this immediately, because the fears and how to overcome them are inside this video. Fear number 1, nobody will buy the book once it's written. So what's the fear? I would explain the fear. The fear means you're afraid of. So you can fully edit these, and you can add pictures, do whatever, outputs this for you. So it's easy for you to go ahead and record it. And the neat thing about this wizard is that you fill it out once, and then you can create these 21 different outlines or 21 different PowerPoints from just filling the thing out once. You can go back and change whatever you want. So let's say instead of, in this particular case, we're going after ebook publishing, but if we just change this to ebook marketing, and we save it, then everything we output now will be all about, instead of ebook publishing, it'll be all about ebook marketing. Let's say you're having a problem with writer's block. Well, here are some content idea starters for you. So,
very interesting. Again, we posted some.
You'll never be at a loss for creating content ever again. So let's say you wanted to write a tip article or video. So what are 3 insider ebook marketing tips every author needs to know? Bang, there's an idea. I know a lot about that. I can just think up off the top of my head what I'd want to create for that. What are 6 ebook marketing questions every new author needs to ask? So basically you can do that to create ideas.
Saturday
You can also
is
brainstorm a
DEFCON.
bunch of
So
titles
it's nice that if you
based
come here
on
to
the
Las Vegas,
keywords that you
can,
put in.
be able to take advantage of both conferences.
And so if
because
you're
they're side
if
by
you've written
side,
an
you're
article and
here
you can't think of a
anyways,
cool title,
and we
then
think that's
this
a
will help
very
you create. So
good
like ebook
place to
marketing
be,
tips for authors who
for
want to
these
write a #1
events.
bestseller.
And as far as
Again, all of these
Blackhat,
variables,
Blackhat
if you
was
go back
very
and change
interesting.
them, if I change
And,
this to who want
what
to
I
write a
thought
#1
about
bestseller
that
or
was
have an Amazon
couple
#1
different things stood
bestseller,
out.
anywhere it says that, it would change it in there. So
One of
that's
the
just a quick
things
overview
that
of
was
how the
brought
wizard
up was
works. If
USB
you're somebody
dangers, and
who
somebody from,
wants to create
Google
content
researchers
yourself, this will create
went around
outlines
to
that you can
campus
use immediately.
and,
Or if
dropped
you're somebody who
nearly
wants to have
300
somebody else
USB
make them for
devices
you,
all over
then you
the
would just use
campus.
the copy and paste
And,
text
in
and
hallways
copy and paste
parking
that
lots,
over into
outdoor
Fiverr or
areas
somewhere else where they
around
make
the
articles,
University of Illinois.
and you would be able to
And,
have them
inside
done
the
for you
drives,
really,
he
really
installed
fast.
special software that
So
would
again,
allow them
if
to
you're an
call
entrepreneur
home
who wants
if
all the
plugged in.
benefits of content marketing,
Of those
but hate creating the
290
content,
drives, 98%
understand
were
this.
picked up,
Whoever
and
publishes the
135
laser-focused,
or
valuable
45%
content your
were
niche
plugged
market
in and
wants
called
is the
home.
winner in online
So,
marketing right now.
Something that
Content
concerning
marketing is
to
often
security
cheaper, even free, and
professionals
more
who are worried
effective
about
than paid
systems
ads for
could be
traffic.
hacked just by a
Anyone
USB
can use
drive.
content
So
marketing
that
to
was
quickly
very
dominate a
fascinating.
niche, attract more quality prospects, and
And
make
again,
more
it's made
sales.
made
So
up
make
of
sure
hackers
you're
and
the one
internet,
doing it in your niche.
guardians. And, there
And
was
Custom
even
Content
hackers
Wizard
for
from Jim
Hillary,
Edwards
where
and
they
Jeff
raised
Herring
money
holds the key to your
for her
success
campaign,
with content marketing.
using
Claim your
Homeland
copy
Security
below
and the White House
right now.
liaison. And anything else from that one? Just let me take a look at my notes. Blackhat had all sorts of briefings, all sorts of trainings. There was a review board plus content selection and attracting talent and research. Two fascinating things. Microsoft had a huge area, where it was all couches and everything, and it was just to socialize and network with people, and that was about it. They had a big, banner behind it saying Microsoft Lounge, but they had actual Microsoft recruiters sitting on all these different couches, interviewing and taking notes and seeing if they could hire some of these people from Blackhat. Very, very smart, because they could get them when they're young, they know everything, and they can bring them on board, and they go through the interview process right there, filter them out, and they hire them before anybody else gets them. Very smart. Who else was doing that? I'm trying to think. Blackhat is everything for cybersecurity, and it's for security practitioners, security executives, and they had the different recruiters there from different companies, but the one that stood out to me was Microsoft. So I just wanted to give you a quick update for Sync Media Network at our at our Las Vegas bureau. This is Joe Ippolito reporting, commonly known as JT, for Sync Media Network. And look for our updates. We publish our content everywhere. It's free to republish, and we also have YouTube channel, that type of thing. So we'll be reporting again throughout the various different conferences and conventions throughout the year. Thanks again for attending. Joe Ippolito, out.